How to get $100 Wayfair coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in Wayfair promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website, Coupon Follow, as this is the legit website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Wayfair. Just scroll and check out the offers. $30 off, 50% off, 70% off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab. Just click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Copy it. Make sure you check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can click on Redeem at Wayfair. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, you can log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your purchase. With that, you're going to get the discount. Also, what you can do is head back. You can also try out other offers, as in this page, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Wayfair. Just scroll down and check out the offers. The process is exact same. Lastly, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also check out this one website, Groupon, as this is also the legit one website. Well, this is how you can easily get up to $100 Wayfair working coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.